টাটা। সাবধানে যেও, টুক্কা টুক্কার সাথে। Everyone, welcome back to my channel Positivity and Happiness again. I hope you all are doing fantastic, you all are doing great. So the thing is, today I'm going to share my daily routine vlog with all of you, and welcome to my brand new vlog. The thing is, today this vlog will be a solo one because Bikram is not here in Aarhus. Bikram went to Copenhagen for attending a meeting, very important meeting in his office. So and tomorrow he'll be back, and for that reason this day I'm all alone in my home. So I thought of, okay, you are just part of my family, so I want to share my whole day with all of you, that what I do, especially whenever I'm alone. Bikram went to Copenhagen around 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock was his train, and he woke up really very early in the morning, 3:30, and then I also woke up around 3:45. Then he went, and after 4:30 I thought of, okay, let's go for a little more sleep, and then I woke up around 8:30. So now the time is 9 o'clock. I already had my lukewarm water with some lemon and honey. So my morning drink is done, and now I'm going to prepare my breakfast. So from breakfast to dinner, it's gonna be a whole day vlog. So now I'm in my kitchen to make my poha. So poha is a very healthy option of your breakfast. You definitely, I know, I'm pretty sure that you, most of you like poha as your breakfast. But yeah, for me, I make poha 2 days in a week. And my friends, I want to let you know that in my channel, I already have posted poha recipe in details. In that vlog, you will find 5 quick and healthy and easy breakfast recipes. So I'll give you the link in the description box below. So after sorting all the vegetables, now I have added my soaked poha into that, and now I'm mixing it really very well. So you can see it looks so colorful. So at the end, I'm squeezing some lemon into my poha. It always gives an extra flavor into the dish. And my friends, with poha, parantha or any kind of Indian breakfast, I always prefer to have some Karaksi Indian chai. So here I am making Indian milk tea. And here is my breakfast absolutely ready. Look at my poha, it's looking gorgeous and super colorful. And now I'm going to enjoy it here. So my friends, tell me how many of you like to have your breakfast or any kind of meal sitting here in the outside in balcony. So the thing is, I always love it, and Bikram too. And you have already seen me. This is my poha. It looks like that, and it's super tasty. It's little tangy in taste, so that's why I'm liking it more. And now let's move into the lunch part. So for today's lunch preparation, I have decided to make some egg curry. Very basic Bengali style, super easy and quick egg curry. So for that, I have boiled some eggs and some potatoes. And now I'm gonna fry my eggs and potatoes. So I have marinated my egg and potato pieces with some turmeric and some salt. And here I'm gonna shallow fry these pieces. Be very careful because oil is really very hot. And here I want to let you know one more thing, that you can definitely add chili powder as well whenever you are marinating your egg and potato pieces. Some people prefer to add that, but I didn't add this thing today in my marination. And now I'm going to fry this for more time, and then I'll take out my potato and egg pieces. here in the hot oil, I'm adding cumin seeds, cardamom, green cardamom, and then bay leaves, few bay leaves. And I'm sauteing it really well. And now it's time to add some crushed garlic. So trust me guys, this garlic, they adds extra flavor and kick into your dish. So you should not skip this part. You just need to add crushed garlic and some green chilies as well. And here after adding chopped onion, now I'm sauteing it really well. And here I'm adding just a little amount of salt and pinch of sugar. So here I'm sauteing it again well. Now it's time to add some chopped tomatoes and coriander leaves to make a good gravy of your potato and egg curry. And here comes the time when I'm going to add all my dry spices one by one. So first of all, I have added turmeric powder, and then cumin powder, and then dry red chili powder as well. So now I'm giving it a very good mix. And here I have added fried potato and egg pieces into the mixture. And again, I'm going to give it a very good mix. And look at the gravy and look at the egg pieces. It looks so tempting. And here I have added just a little amount of water, not much. And I'm gonna add some more water after some time. So this is the best tricks whenever you are making a egg curry. You just don't need to add a lot of water at the first time. So little by little, it's the best trick. And I'm making 4 eggs because I'll keep some egg curry for Bikram tomorrow. So my egg curry is ready. Now I'm going to saute some vegetables. So it's gonna be a super healthy, quick and delicious side dish. So I already have chopped some vegetable. Here you can see it looks super colorful and looks very healthy and tasty. So I have cut carrots and then broccoli and just a little amount of cabbage. And now I'm frying it well. And it will just need salt and sugar, little amount of sugar, not any other spice. So it's gonna be a sauteed vegetable. So yes my friends, that's my lunch platter today. You can see sauteed vegetable. I have added some black pepper as well. And here I have my egg curry and bundi ka raita. So with rice, some sauteed vegetable, egg curry and bundi ka raita. Okay my friends, sorry for the bad light because it's little cloudy outside and I'm not seeing you, but I'll have my lunch now. So yes, my lunch looks like that. Now it's study time my friends. Today I have ample amount of time, so I want to utilize this time with a lot of studying. And one more thing, I am feeling very hungry now. I did work and for that reason I am feeling little hungry. I thought of okay, whenever Bikram is in home, he doesn't allow me to take more than 2 cups of tea. Yes, he told me that no, tea is not good or blah blah blah. But yeah, sometimes I like to have a healthy dinner, breakfast or healthy. I like to maintain a healthy routine. But whenever I'm alone at home, I always love to pamper myself. Just tea is my addiction. I mean, I don't want to have more than 2 cups of tea in a day. But today I already had, 2 cups. But still I want to have 1 more cup of Karaksi chai, milk tea in the morning with my poha. Also I had 1 milk tea. My mom really gets angry with me sometimes whenever he listens by phone that oh my god, you are having 1 more cup of tea. So yes, I always maintain a healthy lifestyle. I eat healthy, I exercise. So yeah, now today I'm alone in home, so I can have just 1 more cup of tea. What do you say? And please let me know how many of you like tea and coffee, especially whenever you are alone and you want to spend some quality time with yourself. Okay, so and as I have already told you that I'm gonna do a little bit of study now, and with my study, coffee is a perfect combo. So the thing is, I didn't make any tea. I just made coffee, and with coffee I just love to eat this you know, oats crackers. This is just yum. Okay, stay tuned. I'm going to share my dinner also with all of you. Bikram just called me. He's having McDonald's burger because he's really very tired after coming back from meeting. In the lunchtime, he had his lunch in the office in Copenhagen. And I just love to know that how you spend your days whenever your hobbies are outside of home, outside of town, for their office work or any other responsibilities. And whenever you are alone, might be you are also outside home for some reason, for some office work or some studies or whatever the reason is, how you love to spend your alone time. That's I just love to know from you guys. Please let me know in the comment section. I would love to know. And this way we can communicate more actually. So this is very important to interact with my you know, subscribers, my viewers, my followers, and I love to know from you because you know, we are just like a big family. I already have told you in the morning time and then in the afternoon time also. So please let me know. I would love to know. And one more thing, this is my favorite place. Actually there are a lot of corners which are my favorite in this apartment. But whenever I do study or we do little chat, I do with Bikram, and we have some coffee time or tea time, then I just love to see the outside. You can see, right, the sky just behind me, just through this window. Now it's little chilly. Yeah, after having dinner probably I'll go outside and sit for 5-10 minutes. But definitely is this time it's not that pleasant like you know, afternoon time, because now it's little chilly. But in Nordic countries, in Scandinavia, it's never that dark in the night time also, especially in this 6 months in this summertime, from April to September. Yeah, it's like so mystic and so how to explain, like it's not like that dark like we usually see in India or other countries. In Nordic countries, no, it's never that dark. It's just like that, luminous and very mystic and very romantic kind of you know, bluish sky you can see, especially whenever you are having a very clear weather, then you know, sky looks like that. Now it's dinner time, my friends, and for today's dinner I have decided to make some quick and easy vegetable pasta. And my friends, in my channel I already have posted 2 pasta recipes because I love to make pasta so often, and I'll give you the link in the description box below. Since my friends, I already have posted 2 types of pasta recipes in my channel, so here I'm just cooking it and you can check the description box below. And here is my dinner platter, looking absolutely gorgeous and super yummy and delicious. But my friends, I'm really missing Bikram because he loves eating pasta. But what to do, tomorrow he'll be back, and then probably day after tomorrow I'll make more pasta. Okay my friends, so that was it. I made a quick and easy pasta. And my pasta looks like this. You have already seen it. So now let's add a little bit of black pepper. So okay, now I'm gonna enjoy my pasta meal. So that's all from today's vlog, my friends. I hope you have really enjoyed it. It was a random vlog and I just wanted to share my day with all of you, my lovely viewers. So here you can see Bikram is back from Copenhagen and it's the next day afternoon, and now we are going to enjoy our time. So thank you so much for watching. See you guys soon.